Hurrah! Repeat. Hurrah! Still repeat. Hurrah! Speech! Speech!
Yay! Nice, Eglug.
Ayan, the day of Rika's birthday with her friends as usual yearly from her high school friend. So they again here. So the day of her birthday she celebrated in Kabayan Dream Fruit Restaurant. Yeah, with her friends. O diba, happy birthday baby Ate Rika. Ayan, masaya ang baby Ate Rika ko. O diba, with her boyfriend Mark. Ang ganda ng baby namin. But before yesterday, actually bago ang birthday niya, nag-celebrate na ang family. Ayan, sa isang Stiffy Grass restaurant in Uden. So doon kami after nag-ice cream. Yummy ice cream. O diba, celebration, early celebration. Then buti may kermes doon. Nag-kermes din kami pagkatapos mag-ice cream. O diba, so nag-celebrate kami earlier. At ayon, nung gabi ay, ayan, ang salubong ng birthday niya.